To you guys. Okay. Now I'm going to post office. So yeah, this here the post office in Macau. I just got home, guys. Kenny's already there. Even I want to send this to you. The problem is not allowed the magnet. So I'm trying my best to remove this magnet in the post office, but I can't. This one is maybe I will share in the church, in the community. Yeah, in my birthday. So my birthday is July 21, and maybe I have another Q&A, guys. Two more Q&A. You know, my videos is only a short, only 3 minutes. And or maybe you don't like my painting or something from me, and yeah, 3 to 4 weeks Kenny, you got my artwork. And yeah, and today we do painting, guys. Now is 20 minutes before 11. My work time is 3. Would you mind if I play music while the painting? Today is Wednesday, July 3. Okay, we try this time. And then white. Right. So, without further ado, we play music. No idea, guys. The first one is yellow, and then now we change. flying Guyana. Oh, see that? This is the resort. Yeah. And I love this kind of abstract. I don't know if you are imagine what I'm thinking. Just like a flower, and then half image of woman, and here is just like a fish. Yeah, this is abstract.